Hey guys, welcome back. If you're getting NBA 2K26 error code EFEAB30C on Xbox and the game is not connecting to server, don't worry. This is not a server down issue, and in this video I'll show you how to fix it step by step. This error usually happens when NBA 2K26 does not download update data properly. Most of the time it appears after a new patch or season update. The servers are working but your game file are out of sync. Fix 1, check your update. First, go to My Games and app on Xbox, select NBA 2K26, then go to Manage Games and Add-ons. Now open Updates and install any update you see. Even a small update can fix this error. After updating, restart the game. Fix 2. Trigger data sync inside game. If the error is still there, launch the game and go to Play Now mode. Stay on the main menu or play one quick match. Wait for a few minutes until the game starts syncing the data in the background. When you see an update message, exit and relaunch the game. Fix 3. Clear reserved space. Now this step fixes the issue for most players. Go to setting, then storage, select NBA 2K26, open save data and clear reserved space only. Do not delete your profile data. Now relaunch the game and let it download fresh data completely. Fix 4. Network refresh. If you're still stuck, go to network settings on Xbox, open advanced settings and clear the alternate MAC address. Restart your console and router. Make sure your N80 type is open or moderate. After a big NBA 2K update, sometimes you just need to wait on the main menu for 10 to 30 minutes so the game can sync properly. Do not close the game during this time. Thank you. Bye bye.